Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to create form and subform in Microsoft Access. This is incredibly useful when you want to display related data in a single view, like showing customer details alongside their orders. Let's walk through this step by step. First things first, start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Make sure you have your data ready and your tables properly set up, as this will be the foundation for your forms. Once the software is loaded along with your data, you'll need to open the table you wish to create a form and subform on. After that, look at the top part of your Microsoft Access menu and click on the Create tab. This tab houses all the tools you need for building new database objects, including forms, reports, and queries. From the Create tab, look for the Form Wizard option and click on it. The Form Wizard is a powerful tool that guides you through the form creation process step by step, making it much easier than building from scratch. A small window will open up at this point. In this window, start by adding your tables and query that would populate your form. This selection determines what data will appear in your form. Once you've selected everything you need, click on Next to proceed to the next screen. On the next step, you'll be asked to choose a layout for your form. Select Columnar from the available options. The columnar layout displays your fields in a single column, which works perfectly for most data entry scenarios. After selecting it, click on Finish. Your first form is now created and should appear on your screen. Now here's where things get interesting. Click on the form's header to select it, then switch to Design View. This view gives you full control over the form's structure and layout, allowing you to make customizations. While in Design View, drag the header section downward to expand the design area. This creates additional space where you can add your subform. Having extra room to work with makes the placement much easier and gives you flexibility in arranging your elements. Now comes the crucial part. All you have to do is drag a new form from your navigation pane directly under your initially created one. This action creates a subform within your main form, establishing the relationship between the two data sources. The subform will automatically adjust to fit within the main form structure. And there you have it. You've successfully created a form with a subform in Microsoft Access, giving you a professional, organized way to view and manage related data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.